My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called LockBit 5. This is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware's attack, we were able to open our files without troubles, but unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this LockBit 5.0 may be easily injected into the computer. It then encrypts files and appends this random extension to the file names. The ransomware also tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration supposedly, but I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. What you need to do is to scan your system with a reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. So then Combo Cleaner, after you start it, will be initially in the trial mode, and only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode of Combo Cleaner. So you need to click on this Start Scan button. You'll see this blue Start Scan button. This is what you need to click on. After you do that, the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So you should not skip this very important step. Make sure that the antivirus database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated. So after it is updated, the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin. You need to understand that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware, it helps to protect your data ahead of time, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files for you. So Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect your files ahead of time. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time from being damaged or encrypted by this particular ransomware. So you need to wait, as I said, until the antivirus database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated. And speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.